The DS3 Cabrio is a rare open-top car that is only available on the Fiat 500 in 2024, with a canvas-top. It's a car that combines the open-top elements of the Roadster, the sports car elements of the Hakaroku, and the practicality of the Swift Sport and Demio. The canvas top has many advantages that a simple open-top car doesn't have. The best thing about it is that it can be closed at any time. I drove for about 2 hours in the scorching heat of the outside temperature approaching 40 degrees Celsius. And when it gets cooler, I can open it and enjoy the breeze, and when I'm about to get burned by the sun's rays, I can close it and cool down. The overall impression is that, contrary to its stylish and elegant appearance, it has the right quality of a full-fledged sports car like the Hakaroku. Even when driving slowly, you can enjoy the direct ride quality and the torque that comes with it like a sports car. If you buy it as a sports car and drive it, it's great because it combines the fun of driving with comfort and practicality. But if you're looking for a car that you can drive slowly and comfortably, you should be careful. The engine's turbo provides solid torque assistance even at low RPM, so it accelerates powerfully and feels great. Once you enter acceleration mode, it pushes you forward as if it had a jet engine. The automatic transmission's operation remains rough, you're often shaken back and forth. The handling is also sporty. Basically, it's light and easy to ride for both men and women, but the roll converges early on and the car follows the curve without any shaking. What's surprising is how it moves from the middle of a corner, which takes a long time to turn. It has such turning characteristics that the car goes in so much that you'll wonder if it's a midship car. As for the ride, you should think of it as a sports car. It's basically stiff, but the suspension moves firmly to a certain extent to follow the road surface.